So, here. Nakabit na natin yung first na armrest. So, eto. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe and don't forget to ring the notification so that you'll get updated of my upcoming videos. For today's video, isa to sa mga work from home essentials. And recently, nag-sale sa Lazada. Nakita ko tong item na to, which is sobrang mura. So, I thought, why not try? If you guys want to find out more, just keep on watching. Okay, so, I'm sure, kanina pa kayo interested dito. So, this is an office chair which I bought at Lazada for 1,391 pesos. Matagal ko na actually gusto magkaroon ng ganitong chair. And recently kasi sumasakit yung likod ko. And I thought, it's worth a shot. So, why not try it? So without further ado, let's unbox. Well, actually, kanina umaga dumating to. Balot na balot siya ng bubble wrap. Secure na secure yung product. Kudos to the seller and dun sa courier, which is the Lazada Express, kasi hindi niya ako binigo sa packaging. And it was handled well. And by the way, pala, in-order ko siya last Sunday and dumating siya Wednesday. So all in all, 3 days lang, andito na siya. Ay, so ito yung tsura ng chair. Meron siyang manual. Makikita nyo dito, meron yung mga part and andito rin yung manual kung paano siya ikabit. So next we have this part. Ito yung magiging sandalan. I think matibay naman siya. So there. Ganito rin pala yung shape niya. So ito yung magiging back support mo. Kaya ganito yung shape niya. Kung titingnan nyo maganda at shiny yung material, but I can feel na hindi siya ganun ka-tibay at mabilis siyang makabit. So ingatan nyo na lang. So far, malinis siya at makinis yung dumating sa akin. Ito yung armrest. So, ganito yung shape niya. Ito yung suksukan ng mga screws. And then we also have this. Ito yata yung pang-adjust. And now, for the most exciting part, i-assemble na natin siya. But first, let me teach you how to read this manual if hindi pa kayo familiar. So, this is what the manual looks like. Dito sa part na to, dito nakalagay yung mga pyesa na kakailanganin natin. And then, for this part, ito yung steps. And nandyan din kung ano yung pyesa na kailangan nyo para ikabit siya. So, for the first one, ang kailangan daw natin are the A, F, D, and C. So, for A, magre-refer kayo dito sa part na to. So, ito siya. Which is yung sandalan. And then, we also have the F, yung screws. So, kung mapapansin nyo, dito sa part na to, meron tayong E and F na screw. But for the E, ito yung longer, then yung F, yung shorter one. So, we need the shorter one na 4 na peraso as shown in this manual. And then we have the D and C, which is here. So, ito yung armrest. Left and right lang naman siya. And then, the good thing about it is that meron siyang kasamang Allen wrench. So, this one. Hindi kasi siya yung conventional na screw, yung Phillips type. So, this is called Allen wrench. So, nilagay ko yung unang screw dito. So, yun yung ikakabit natin here. Kasi meron siyang lagayan or suksukan ng screw. And then, let's use the other one, which we will put here. So, here. Nakabit na natin yung first na armrest. So, eto. And then for the other one, which is same thing lang naman din ang gagawin ko. Hanapin nyo lang din yung suksukan ng screw, which is ito. And then itatapat natin siya dito. So, this is how it looks like after. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nakakabit na siya dyan. Ito ka lang siya kinabit. And just ensure na it's strong enough yung pagkakascrew mo. So, now we're done with the first part. So, it's off the list. Next naman is ilalagay natin yung pinaka-seat niya. So, ang kailangan natin for the second one is the letter E and the letter B. So, ito siya. Ito yung longer. So, this one. And then, the letter B, this, meron siyang mga suksukan dito ng screw. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, sabi dito, i-screw daw natin lahat ng letter E sa ilalim. Although, it's not explicitly mentioned kung ilan yung kailangan. But I assume na 6 kasi ito yung nakalagay. So, this is how the step 2 looks like. And it's actually made of foamy material. Malambot naman siya, but I don't think it's long-lasting. So, kung gusto nyo or may extra kayo, pwede nyo actually palitan or lagyan pa ng cover yung seat. So, dito ko kinabit yung screws na longer. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi ganun kaganda yung quality nung nasa ilalim niya. But, it's good na rin for the price. Okay, so next thing that we're gonna do is that for step 3, we need daw yung G, H, and F. So for the G, ito siya. And then for the H and F, yung mga small screws lang din. Naka-indicate din dyan kung ilan ba dapat yung meron ka. Like for example, sa E, yung long na screw, meron ka daw dapat 4 pieces. And for F, dapat meron kang 8. So we already used some of the F screws dun sa armrest. And now, dito naman natin siya ilalagay. I guess, done na natin siya. Ibay naman na. So, this is how it looks. Alright, so for the next part, done na tayo dun sa step 3. We only have 2 steps left. So, for step 4 daw, kailangan natin yung I, J, K, and L. Kasama daw dito yung mga gulong. I-assemble lang natin siya and ilalagay natin siya dun sa ginawa natin step 3 kanina. So, yan. Nakabit ko na to. So, ganito lang siya. Ito yung itsura ng likod. Kakabit lang natin tong dulo. Same for the rest. Kompleto na natin yung mga gulong. So there, nakabit ko siya. So, I think it's done. Hindi ko alam kung bakit meron pa silang nilagay na step 5 dito. Pero I think this is the end product. Ito na yung gamit ko ngayon. Inuupuan ko na siya. And as you can see, ang smooth lang ng ikot niya. And okay naman din yung pagkakakabit ko dun sa gulong. Hindi naman ako nagkakaroon ng problem sa pag-navigate. Meron siyang back support at hindi masakit sa likod. Although, hindi mo lang nga lang siya pwedeng i-adjust dahil fixed na to. Pero kung gusto nyo siyang taasan, ito kasi yung table na gamit ko and ito yung monitor ko. So, gusto ko na eye level lang siya. So, pwede natin i-adjust. So, I'm just gonna show you how this chair can be adjusted. Ganito siya i-adjust. I-press nyo lang siya up. Then, ayan. There. Mas mataas na ako ngayon. Mas mataas na siya. Maganda yung back support niya para maiwasan yung back pain. And it's worth it. So, for just 1,391, I have this chair and I hope na hindi nasasakit yung likod ko. So as for the final thoughts, I really like this product. Isa sa mga pros niya is that madali siyang i-set up. For me, nakatulong yung manual na kasama sa package. It's quite helpful, but you really have to understand everything. And hindi kasi ganun ka-accurate din yung drawings. So, you just have to understand it carefully. Madali lang naman siyang i-set up. As for me, nadalian ako sa pag-set up sa kanya. Hindi siya ganun kahirap. And as for the quality, well, you get what you paid for. Kasi for 1,391, meron ka ng chair. Hindi na masama. Makakatulong din to for your work from home essentials. And as for me, kasi yung likod lang naman yung laging masakit. Kasi before, ang ginagamit ko yung dining chair. Wala siyang enough na back support, kaya madalas sumakit yung likod ko at the end of my shift. So, kung yun yung gusto nyo i-address, well, itong chair na to is makakatulong. And also, if you're in a budget, okay na to. In terms of quality, don't expect too much, but I can assure you na you'll get what you pay for. Kung gusto niyo na mas tumibay pa siya, pwede niyo naman siyang lagyan ng seat cover, yung nabibili rin sa Lazada, para ma-improve yung longevity niya. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung measurement para magkaroon din kayo ng overview about this chair. Overall thoughts, I totally recommend this chair. So if you guys wanna try to buy this, hindi kayo magsisisi. I hope marami kayong natutunan and this video is helpful to you sa pag-decide kung bibili niyo ba yung chair or hindi. If meron pa kayong questions na hindi ko na sama sa video na to, you can comment down below. And also, if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe dahil marami pa akong mga unboxing and reviews in the future. So, I hope you guys are all safe and stay happy. Bye!